Hi everybody, we're opening the LoveGoodly box for October, November. I am a VIP, so check it out. I get a special thing in my box. It's the Curated Skincare Face Glow. Ooh. Alright, check it out. So this tells me everything that comes in the box. And I get a promo code to save some money. And this is worth 82 bucks. And Cancer Support Community Los Angeles is their charity partner. Alright, so let's see. First thing we get is a toothbrush. Oh, shoot. It's a bamboo toothbrush. Check that out. Nice and soft. And it's biodegradable. Brush, smile, repeat. I can get down with that. Alright, and then this is a little card wallet with made by Pixie Mood. So there's a little zipper compartment in there. This is PETA approved vegan. Okay, so I'm going to be putting some stuff in here, that's for sure. Next we got, this kind of looks like some tablets, but it's actually whitening toothpaste bits. Oh, easy to travel with. Check that out. Alright, I can get down with that. Instead of making a mess with toothpaste tubes, take these with you when you travel. I'm going to take these to work. Face Glow Tinted Primer Illuminator by Curated. Plant-powered skincare. So I guess it's supposed to give your skin some illumination. Oh, look at that. Oh, alright. I'm gonna have to really mix that in there, huh? Alright, yeah, I gotta really get that in there, huh? Alright, I'll test it out and let you guys know how it looks on my face. And then we have the Curated Green Cream Chlorophyll Face Complex. Alright. I'll test that out. Let's see how this one looks. We'll put it on this side. I gotta prime the pump. Okay, there it is. That feels really nice. Kind of smells like a little bit like chlorophyll, which is cool. Smells nice. Actually smells a little bit like eucalyptus maybe. Let's see what's in it. Made in Toronto. Cruelty-free, of course. Let's see what's in it. Jojoba, parsley, rosemary, a bunch of different things. Clary. Alright. Definitely worth looking into. But yeah, there you have it. LoveGoodly box. If you want to save some money, I got a special link for you to shop down below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. So we got these 5 things. We got the toothpaste and the toothbrush. Toothpaste bits, I should say. Well, actually not toothpaste because it's not a paste. Tooth bits. And then that. So check it out.